So let's put it together in an actual application now. Okay, so I've got my main variable up here. I've defined my data model. This is going to be my starting point. Now, when I'm done creating my program and I want to launch this thing, I'll probably empty out that data because I won't need it anymore. I won't need to start with fruit, but I could just leave it in there for testing purposes. It doesn't really matter. But we need to add fruit. Okay. And remember from earlier, we need to pass it a dictionary object, and then at the end, we're going to return that dictionary object back. Now, what happens to that in between those 2 points is we've got to add a new fruit to that. So we've got to get 4 pieces of data here: the ID, the name, the price, and the quantity. So let's do this. ID equals input, what is the fruit ID? And then we've got another string, str name equals input, what is the fruit name? Okay. Third thing is the price, and the price is a float equals, and we're going to convert this to a float on the fly, but if we were responsibly programming this, we would be data checking. I encourage you to take that step, by the way, as you develop this, but let's skip that for now so we can stick to the new information, because you guys are pros at data checking already. Am I right? And then we have the quantity, int quantity equals, and well, again, we'll just convert it on the fly here, but we don't want to do that in real life. How many are there? Okay, so I've got my 4 pieces of data, and now what do we want to do? We want to build the innermost piece of that dictionary. So we're going to build this dictionary first. We go inside out, and we'll call that dtemp, and we're going to say this. We got name, str name. This is just what we wrote earlier. Price, and we've got FL price, and then we've got quantity. Now it's really important that these match these 3 exactly the same. They don't have to be in the same order, but they do have to be the same keys, otherwise your program won't work. So really important to get those straight. Okay, so we've got the inside built, and now we need to add that to the dictionary object. So d data, and we're going to go strid equals dtemp. Okay, and then the last thing we already got there, which is to return the data. So now we've got a great black box here that says we're going to take this as input, we're going to ask for that from the users, we're going to build that together, add that record, and then return the new and improved data element. Okay, so we've got that. Now